Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to describe you about the feature called MEMC in this Mi11X device, as you can see friends. So which is available in the settings option if you go to the display, and another display you can find the AI image engine. So here there is an option called MEMC, as you can see friends. So which is particularly designed for the enhancing the video performance in terms of improving the smoothness as well. So just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, and also don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of the Mi11X device. You can find so many videos related to this smartphone. So what is the term MEMC means? So MEMC means which stands for the motion estimation, motion compensation, as you can see here friends. So which is a technique which is developed to enhance the quality and the smoothness of the video. So right now the phone has got that kind of functionality, and once you enable that option, so let me try to show you friends again. So once you enable that option, you need to enable this another option which is called the video toolbox to make it work, as you can see. So this feature slightly increases the power consumption as well. And second thing is that this feature works only when the video toolbox is on. So let me try to go to the video toolbox option, so which is available in the settings, as you can see friends. So right now I'll try to not in the special features, I'll try to use this kind of feature in the MX player. So I need to enable the video toolbox application for the MX player. So let me try to go to the manage videos. As you can see, the MX player has been already enabled in the video toolbox feature. So let me try to quickly open the MX player and try to play the video. As you can see friends, it is the video which I am trying to play in the MX player. So right now, after you enable the video toolbox option, you do get this kind of sidebar. So in this video toolbox, you need to go to the picture option. So here's the picture option, as you can see friends. So once you're in this picture option, if you enable this option, so first it will be disabled friends. If you want to enable this kind of enhanced animations, so you need to click on this first option, as you can see here. So let me try to disable and enable this option. So you may not be noticing much difference if you enable and disable this option, but definitely this might help for some videos, not all the videos. The videos like where the clouds are moving in fast way. So if you enable that option, definitely it feels the difference friends. Right now I can definitely feel the difference when in the moving cloud. So let me try to backward. I'm not sure whether you'll be noticing in this video or not, but definitely I can actually feel the difference, the smooth clouds which are passing right now. So in this kind of scenarios, definitely you'll feel a lot of difference using this kind of enhanced animation features particularly. So let me try to play again. As you can see here friends, so without enhanced feature enabled, so this is how it looks, and with enhanced feature, so this is how the smoothness it looks. But actually I can feel in a person while watching this video particularly. If I compare, definitely I will be able to notice the difference friends. So right now there is another option which is called second option for the colors. So this feature won't work when the video resolution is higher than the 4K. So enhanced colors. So this might give you the slightly enhanced colors. You can see the change in the colors right now. As you can see, little bit. So a little bit got enhanced here itself, as you can see friends. Just try to concentrate on this area, you will be able to feel the difference. But overall this enhanced animation feature did work properly in this phone without any kind of issues. So right now I did notice, as I said, this is my first time trying this kind of feature in this phone after getting a lot of requests from the subscribers that asking me to test this kind of particularly MEMC feature in this phone. And overall it works perfectly fine and alright. So definitely friends, you will be able to enjoy the very good watching the videos in this particular model in this Mi11X device. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.